Really? You can't talk when the camera's on?
No.
Gosh, I had no idea it was so inhibiting.
What is that? What is that?
What?
Camera phobia.
Oh, do you?
Yes, I get shy around the camera.
Did you just get that?
No. Okay.
What was the word last night? What was the word last night?
I just got it. Oh, that was. Oh no. I don't know if the dictionary did, but too much.
Yeah, too much trouble. You were already using your phone for something else.
I wouldn't understand the words in that dictionary, so I would have to like go to kids' dictionary. No. They don't have the pictures in there. Oh, that's weird.
This is why you're too. Oh my God. If it doesn't have pictures, I can't use it.
Okay, stop.
Including menus. I can't order food without menu pictures.
Definitely in Spanish, or definitely when it's like in like Olive Garden. That's too hard.